Hello. So as you saw earlier, that was a police siren imitation. I did that using an Arduino Uno board with the help of two buzzers and 8 LEDs. So the 8 LEDs, 4 are red, 4 are green. I should have used blue ones, but I was not having access to blue ones, so I used the green ones for it. So what it does is that the 8 LEDs, their brightness changes with respect to the buzzer's frequency or the frequency of the sound. So as the sound frequency changes, the the LEDs brightness also changes, the green and then the red ones. So I want you to see the brain behind it, the code behind this. So I used an Arduino IDE for this. So as I said earlier, I used two buzzers, but I connected everything to one pin, which was the pin number 10, and I stored this in the variable buzzer here. It's an integer value, so it's 10. The same thing for the LEDs. The 4 LEDs to one pin, which was the 5, and then the green LED to one pin, which was the 6. So because I want to change the brightness of the LEDs, I connected them to the PMW pins. So 5 and 6 are PMW pins. There are more of it on the Arduino board though. So now let's come to the voice setup. So the buzzer is an output device. That's why you can see my pin mode there. The same thing with the LEDs. They are both output devices. Now the void loop. I used a for loop to repeat or to iterate the sounds multiple times. So here inside this for loop, I gave this condition, which is P. So P is 15, it's 0 to 15. So everything here will run 15 times. But then I want it to run longer than 15 times. So I used this for loop with this condition here, which repeats everything 100 times. So everything here, or the frequency, will repeat itself 15 times, 100 times. That is how it does. Sorry, 16 times, not 15. Sorry. So the delay here also delays everything, but here it's 5, so it's very short time. That's why here it's very fast. The no buzzer here stops all sounds so that it wouldn't interrupt with the next session or the next iteration. This for loop does same. This one repeats, this condition here repeats everything here 16 times. For each iteration delays 16 seconds, and then there's a no tone here. I wanted that one to last longer, so that one too, I used this for loop here where they repeat the condition. So it repeats 15 times. So everything here will go 16 times, and it repeats again. So 16 times, 16 times, 16 times, 50 times. So that's it. So this is the brain behind the code. Thank you for listening.